there's Beulah. We have made it to Yuma, Arizona. All right, we are entering our new home. It's nice and cool in here. It's held up well. Well, Tansy's out and she's checking the place out. She likes this motorhome. She likes getting that couch particularly. Look how much dirt. We had that window was open.
Wow. What is that?
Yeah, that much. Wow, that is a lot of dirt. We're gonna have to vacuum the whole place out. Bedroom window was open too, so who knows what the bed's got on it. Hey everybody, welcome to Tigner Adventures. We have arrived in Yuma, Arizona.
Our winter home for the last 5 years.
You've seen us finally picking up Beulah. Why do I keep saying that? Bella.
Because Beulah's been with us for 7 years.
That's right. So we are now, this is Bella, and we have got everything just thrown in here. It's going to take us a while to get moved in.
A carload of stuff.
Yeah, but
not too bad.
Yeah, it's not too bad yet. But we still got more things to come in. And
gotta go to the mail place and pick up all the goodies.
Yeah. One thing that's changed since our last time being in Yuma is that our friends, Greg and Linda, who own an adventure pass of 1,000 Trails, has, through their friends and family, man, my tongue is getting twisted. They have a friends and family pass that they have given to us. And so it's a 4 or 5 year, I can't remember now all the details, but it's like a contract that we get, but we get the camping pass for all the 1,000 Trails areas and Encore, well, not Encore, but we get all that and we can add trails collection. But we get it at a fraction of the cost. So we are really excited. Thanks, Greg and Linda, for
thank you very
doing
much.
that, because that's going to help out a lot. And so we are currently at Cactus Gardens. That's an Encore park in Yuma. And we're going to be here for a few nights. And then we're going to move over to Sundance for one night. And then we're having a big party.
Yes, we got to see the goodbye party.
Yeah, we got to go
say goodbye to all our little friends.
Goodbye to all of our friends that we have made over there over the years. They're all getting ready to leave also. And then from there, we're heading off to Tucson. I got these things all messed up. So anyway, I'm going to get the names eventually because I can't even remember people's names lately. But anyway, Tucson. We are headed to Tucson to the Escapees Escapade. So yeah, so that'll be a lot of fun. We're representing RV Life there, so we will have a booth there, and we will be looking forward to meeting as many people as we can and making as many friends as we can. We have been Escapees members for ever since we started RVing, so we're excited, and we've been to a number of these different events now. So you make friends over time, and that's what we're doing, and that's what this video will be all about, is us getting to that event. And all the things that are going to happen between right now and getting over there. So
and getting
come along.
Settled in to
and
our new home.
We got a lot to do to get settled in, and I'm not sure we're even going to get it done in the next few days. It's probably going to take us months, really.
Yeah.
You know, if you look how long we were in Beulah, got it right, then 7 years. So it's going to take a little while before Bella
running smooth.
really seems like home to us. Right now, it's definitely a change.
Yes.
We have slept in our new motorhome for the first time. The bed's a little hard. It's a little different, but at this point we're just going to accept it because we don't really have the money to go buy another mattress. And getting stuff packed away, you can see how we did some packing. Didn't have really time to go through and figure out where everything was going to go. So we kind of just stuck things everywhere. Isn't that how it is when you first move into an apartment or a house? And Ninette's trying to figure out where everything is going to go in the kitchen, because this kitchen is a little smaller cupboard size. In some ways it has more because we have all these extra drawers and things, but we need to do some work on figuring things out. This is where the air conditioner comes up through, so you can see that the cupboards are kind of narrow, and This is under the sink, and this is the something. Can't remember what's under there. I looked once, but it's kind of the heaters back in there, and this is under the stove. Look at all that wasted space. So we're gonna have to build some roll-out drawers here or something to make things a little bit more accommodating. So I have all the tire binder pieces here, and my sensor right there. You're supposed to put that by the phone. We just put this into learn mode, and then we select the tire that we want to put our sensor on, and then we go ahead and attach the sensor onto the valve stem.
Congratulations! The sixth tire has been learned.
Recognized by the deal, so we can get all of these all set up. Well, got back with all the goodies, filled up the car completely from the mail place with all the stuff I had ordered from Amazon. So, but the big key one here is this one right here. Let's see if we can get the sun on there a little bit, because it is Ninette's toaster oven. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that out, and we're gonna see if that'll fit inside. And then we've got the barbecuer here. Kind of went through some rough times getting here, it looks like, as far as the shipping goes. Sometimes UPS isn't too kind to things, so hopefully it's okay. We'll take that out and look at that too. Anyway, we got some stuff to unpack today. This will be kind of fun. It's like Christmas. Here. Oh, it's windy out here. Oh. Honey, I have a present for you. Now it's time to open up the grill. Oh, there we go. Oh. Still a lot lighter than my other smoker grill, so we'll see how this works. Well, it looks pretty good. It's got a fryer up on top, electric down here. So we can go ahead and put our griddle back in there. A little grease spot back there for grease to go down into that tray that goes in the back. So we have checked into Sundance RV Resort. So we're just here for one night because they're having a big closing ceremony party tonight, and all of our friends are here. So we came and checked in for one night, and I've got the whole check-in packet here, you can see, and got to fill out the stuff just like anybody else that's coming in. So we're not work camping anymore. We are normal RV park residents for one night. And we are getting Bella professionally washed and waxed. So she was pretty dirty from that trip from Wisconsin. And I think Beulah is feeling a little jealous at this point. But we got this special for $190 for wash and hand wax and wash the car too. And they both need it really bad. Well, I can't say it's the best wash and wax job I've seen. Robert's RV Solutions are the ones that did the work on this, and I think I made a mistake. I thought they did a good job, and I just paid them without looking, but they really, this is like maybe a 2 or 3 star. Not very happy with them at all. I think they knew that we were going to be leaving town. We got on the road for Tucson, and man, was the wind bad, and the dust was really bad. And then we got this notice, so we decided to stop at Denny's. We're about an hour from Tucson, and we end up spending the night here, and we're going to go on to Tucson tomorrow. So I don't think the dust storm is an issue anymore. It's raining like crazy, so, but we're still going to hang out here for the night. Well, this is a new problem. For some reason, our transmission's not lighting up here. Can't get it to work. Ninette had a little talking to Bella, and after we let it run for a little while, I turned it off, and when I turned it back on, it came on. So that's a new little bit of a problem. Well, that is it for this video. And that was a lot of different things here going on, and this is the maiden voyage for Bella. And
are you sure it's Bella?
I'm sure it's Bella now. It'll take us a while to get used to everything for sure. And I'll tell you, let's see, as far as we're 0 days of 0. Is that how it goes?
0 of 1.
Oh, yeah, 0 days
of having a poltergeist.
Of having an incident with the rig. So we're still working through a lot of things. It's going to take us a while to get used to Bella and figuring out certain things. We still have a few things we just don't know about yet. Some of those, I guess, Ninette's calling them poltergeists, but yeah, so we're having a few different issues. But anyway, we are in Tucson, and I can see the wind's picking up. Yep, so it's going to be a little windy.
And it was a very wicked ride from Yuma to Tucson.
Boy. Yep, we had to, we were going to be here yesterday, but because of the emergency broadcast, there was really high winds into the 60s. It was hitting us on the side. That was really exciting. And dirt is blowing across the freeway. It was 0 visibility. So
yeah, they said get off
the road. So luckily we found the next exit we came to was a Pilot, and they had a Denny's right there, and we parked in their parking lot for the night. So that was nice that we could do that. And then this morning was no issues as far as weather. We are having that issue with our transmission, so we still got to figure that out. So if any of you can tell us why our transmission is doing that, we would really appreciate it. It is just another incident. So
poltergeist.
Yeah, poltergeist.
Somebody has put voodoo on us.
Yeah. Joan and the ladies that we bought it from.
Lynn?
Lynn and Joan.
Lynn and Joan.
What did you do?
What did you do?
Anyway, we are having fun, and we are here at the Escapees thing. See, I got my hat on. We've got a sticker, and look at this new sticker for RV Life.
Isn't it cute?
We got a few different things that we're going to be...
I don't know what the bear has to do with it, but it's awfully cute.
It's awfully cute. And so we've got a few different stickers for the booth that we're going to be working here at the Escapade. So this is the 2025 Escapees Escapade in Tucson, Arizona. This is the Pima County, I think that's how you say it, fairgrounds. And we are in Vendor Row. So you can see here all these different vendors all lined up here.
It's pretty cool.
And so we're getting to meet a lot of different people besides the individuals that we know within the Escapees Club, because we've been members for about 5 years. Oh, there you go. So we've been members, I think it's been 5 years, maybe 6 years, no, 7 years. We've been on the road for 7 years. We've been Escapees members from day one. So anyway, yeah.
Well,
so
our first batch was in 2020.
I think that was our, I think our
2020.
2020. I think that was the first club that we actually joined. So we have enjoyed being part of this organization. So we are excited to be here. So anyway, thanks for coming along with us, and we'll give you some insights to the Escapade on our next video that we do. We'll include the what's going on around here and give you some kind of idea why you should be members of a club, and why Escapees is the club you probably want to join. So anyway, thanks for coming along. We'll see you down the road somewhere. If not, I guess on our next video. Okay, bye.